Stealth Flow is installed, ready to go. Time to do a little water test. We're gonna run some water down the downspout, make sure it's moving that water away from the house and going into the drain. For the drain, we're gonna do a little different test. I got this 5-gallon bucket. We're gonna actually see how much water we can dissipate down into our drainage system. So Stealth Flow, drain, let's do some testing, let's go. You can see water draining right out, going into the drain. The drain's doing what it's supposed to do, holding the water. Water's going down, trickling down. Everything appears to be working. Let's keep it going. Let's get some more water. So we can see water coming out, dissipating right in here, flowing right into the drain just like we want. Everything's doing exactly like we're supposed to do it. Get the nice little fill there. Stealth Flow doing a good job moving the water away from the house. Drain's working just like we want. So we ran quite a bit of water already to the drain, and there's no water in the drain right now. Okay, so here is bucket number 1. Well, it's bucket number 1. I'm just looking down here to see if the drain fills up, and nope, no water in the drain. So let's go for bucket number 2. Bucket number 2, and I'm trying to, the time in between this going down is how long it takes me to fill up the bucket. So I'm filling up a bucket and then I'm going right into the drain. I'm trying to get as much right into the drain as possible. Alright, that's bucket number 2. And I see some things I need to do around the drain that I'm going to have to make sure I get a handle on. That's bucket number 2. Let's fill up. Right, this is bucket number 3, and there's no water in the drain. I don't see any water currently in the drain at all. So we're at 15 gallons we're going to be at with this one. All right, let's see if this goes down. And the drain is almost empty. Drain is empty, so that's another 5. So we're slowly making moves here. That's 15 gallons we got now. Let's go again. All right, so this is going to be 20 gallons going in. And as I'm looking at it going in, like the drain's not even getting close to filling up. It's probably, as I'm pouring in, maybe halfway full. Let's see what we got. It's not half, maybe a quarter of the way full. I can see down into the drain. So let's see if this goes down, or if we've met the point where everything that we've got in here is now just fully saturated and it's just got to work its way into the ground. We'll see if 20 gallons is where it's at. And this is the slowest that it's drained down so far, as this last bucket, so last 20, but it's going. I see it going down now, slowly but surely, but the drain's emptying out. And there's still just a little bit in there. I'm gonna see if I can pop this lid off and see if I can get the camera in there, because I want you guys to be able to see what's actually left in the drain, and see if we can show that a little better. Let me see if I can pop the lid off. So there you go. You can see that everything's drained out. There's nothing left in the drain. It's going down. I do have a little high side right there, so I'm gonna pop a hole right there in that high side, make sure that water drains down. But as you can see, no water left in the drain after 20 gallons that we've poured in here. So let's try to do one more. All right, this is 25 gallons, so we got 25 now. And I want to do this one before I pop that hole in there. Just want to do this last one. Something to remember, when it's going down, because I have those holes right there, it's still hitting the rock bed going down, and then because we got the grade going down, it's still draining down in that reservoir. Even if it doesn't get to the pipe, it's still going to drain down to the reservoir because of the grade and the rock bed that we have down there. And then if it fills up past the pipe's just going to take it faster to get down there towards the grade. Well, that's 25 gallons, no issues at all. I don't see any in the pipe, nothing. So drain is doing what it's supposed to do. That's holding 25 gallons of water. I probably could have kept going, but we're going to stop right there. But 25 gallons of water holding up well, no issues. You saw it, 25 gallons into the drain, no issues. So if you're having problems with water pooling up, you can install your own drain system in your yard yourself. You can do it. It's not a hard process, all right? And if you're having problems with water draining and you're trying to move it away from the house, StealthFlow, another great addition. So trust me, installing your own drain, not a hard process. You can do it yourself. I know you guys got stuff to do, so do I. This is Daniil Lanier. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like the videos. I got more reviews, DIY, how-tos, and of course, cool motivation coming at you. I'm out. Deuces. Now, sometimes it all comes together. It started to rain. Now, I didn't get to finish my landscaping, so I have some rocks here just to keep everything from washing away and the dirt washing away. So I just put some rocks, but still working on my termites, so I couldn't put all my landscaping in. But as you can see, everything is working as it should. The water's flowing right where I need it to go, going right into the drain. I don't have this crazy flooding like I had in this area before. The water's going away from the house. So the StealthFlow is doing its job. The drain is doing its job. I'm very happy with the performance.